It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing, and we are driving. It's snowing, it's snowing, it's snowing, and we are driving. More than 20 centimeters of snow in Canada. We have hit a stop sign and we are going to take our daughter Avni from her swimming class. Can you see the blizzard? The blizzard is happening, but still we are driving. Guys, we are driving. In the storm, we are driving. I hope you liked my song, my driving during the blizzard. So life doesn't stop, whether you are in Dubai where it is 50 degrees Celsius or you are in Canada where it is minus 40 degrees Celsius. Life doesn't stop, life keeps going, and I'll encourage you, all my friends, to keep going in your life, keep rising. Don't be depressed by the downs in your life. Just keep your head high, keep going, keep driving, keep enjoying, and be proud of what you do. Take care. Bye bye. Hasta la vista.